Good morning, Sarah. It is a very beautiful morning today. Look at the sun.
Yes, Tom, it is very sunny. I walk to the park every morning at 7 o'clock. Do you walk too?
No, I do not walk. I run. I run very fast in the morning. It is good for my body.
That is great. After my walk, I go home. I make coffee and I eat bread. I am always hungry in the morning.
I am hungry too. I eat eggs and fruit for breakfast. I drink orange juice. It is delicious.
Eggs and fruit are healthy. I like healthy food. Have a nice day, Tom.
Thank you, Sarah. Goodbye.
Look at this garden, Mia. The flowers are big and colorful. It is a magic morning.
Yes, Leo. It is wonderful. Look, the breakfast is on the table under the big tree.
Wow, I see milk, honey, and pancakes. I love pancakes very much. Can we eat now?
Wait, Leo, we need to wash our hands first. It is important for breakfast.
You are right. I wash my hands with warm water. Now I am ready. The pancakes look sweet with honey.
I want strawberries with my pancakes. This is the best breakfast ever.
Good morning, class. Today we talk about breakfast. What do you eat in the morning?
I eat cereal with milk, teacher. It is very fast and easy.
I do not eat cereal. I eat rice and fish. My mother cooks rice for me every morning.
That is very good, Lily. Rice is a good breakfast. Kevin, do you drink tea or milk?
I drink cold milk. I like milk. It makes me strong.
I drink water. I like water very much. I am not hungry for juice.
Wonderful. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day. Well done, everyone.